Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make peanut masala stuffed idli. Roast 1 cup peanut in low flame. Remove the skin of the peanuts after it comes down to room temperature. Now in a kadai, add in some oil, add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this add in 2 dried red chilli, quarter lemon-sized tamarind, quarter lemon-sized jaggery, half teaspoon salt, and fry it for another 3 minutes. Blend all this in a mixer without adding water. This should be in a moldable consistency. Make slightly bigger sized coins and set them aside. Brush oil on the idli mold. Pour batter to 3/4 of the mold. Then place a coin and then cover it with some batter. Steam the idlis for 5 to 7 minutes. Your little ones at home will love this dish. Do try this recipe at home and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.